Do you need reliable and affordable dumpster rental services in Southeast Michigan? Look no further than Roberts Roll-Offs. At Roberts Roll-Offs, we take care of all your waste disposal needs with a smile. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction project, we've got the perfect solution for you. Choose from a variety of sizes to match your project's needs. We offer small, medium, and large dumpsters, ensuring you only pay for what you need. Our team of experts will assist you every step of the way, from selecting the right dumpster size to scheduling timely deliveries and pickups. We pride ourselves on our prompt and reliable service. When you choose Roberts Roll-Offs, you choose peace of mind. Join the many satisfied customers who have made Roberts Roll-Offs their trusted partner for dumpster rental in Southeast Michigan. For all your dumpster rental needs, remember the name, Roberts Roll-Offs. We're here to make your cleanup easy and efficient. Visit our website at www.robertsrolloffs.com to learn more about our services and pricing. You can also reach us at 517-280-3867 to speak with our friendly team.